everyone, net exam dates have now been finalized. So it will be happening from 20th of November to 5th of December. So we have 1 month more to go. So you can make use of this time for effective preparations and revision. To help you in your preparations, Appleby Academy is now providing crash courses with extended validity for the subjects Economics, English, Commerce, Management and General Paper. If you'd like to know more about our crash courses, you can contact the number given below. We have already started our next batch classroom admissions. So people who have already applied for December 2020 and June 2021 cycle and wanted to join for the next batch, now you have got 1 month's time for your exam because the exam will be happening only in November. So now you can join with Appleby and you can start your preparations with the learning resources that are available with us. So you can make use of those resources and you can prepare for the exam that will be happening in November. So after that exam, still you want to join for the classroom batch, and if you want to continue your preparations, this particular course that we are providing is with an extended validity. So you can continue your preparations in the classroom mode as well. So if you want to know more about this particular course, you can contact the number given below.